Hey there, Boomer Sassman here, Acmemoto2. Today we're going to be installing a Acme Universal plate onto the sweet R100 Boxer. When you get the plate, it's going to have these two pucks already attached lightly. And so when you pull it out of the packaging, you should be able to slide it right onto the rack on your bike. You can adjust it up and down if you need to, but you just want to get it kind of in the right spot. And then the first thing is we're going to take one of these black pucks and we're going to slip it right behind this plate, kind of pinch it on the rack there, and I'm going to go ahead and just slide a bolt in place. Do a couple if you want. But one little trick is that you can take a zip tie and just run it through the center notch and go ahead and hook it around the rack, and that'll hold it in place while you're working on all the other hardware. Just put it on there lightly. Alright, I'm going to take this second black puck and slide it in here. Get that sucker lined up. Once the 4 bolts are on and the 2 pucks are in place, now we want to go ahead and take this aluminum piece on the back side, and this has the two nuts attached, and so I'm going to just lightly attach these nuts. And then once you've got these on here lightly, all 4 of them, you want to go ahead and just got a 8mm Allen wrench and a 7/16 box wrench, and you're basically going to go around and just snug everything up tightly. And then once you're done, you can cut off that zip tie and you should be good to go. And then once you've got this thing securely mounted on there, you should be able to just take your box, line up all your pucks into the slots, slide it right down. That's it. Thanks.
I like the way the latch works.
It was like